I built this desk. No, seriously, I built this desk and it's so much easier than you think. Okay, please just trust the process. You just need plywood, 2x4s, some wood dowels, and these pine wood rounds. You can get all this from Home Depot. That's exactly what I did, okay? Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at voiceovers and I hate redoing these, so just like bear with me. Okay, take a marker and tie it to a piece of string and mark out the center of your plywood. And then you can use it as a little way to draw an arch, because what you want to do is just cut out an arch on both sides of plywood. And if you're not like quite certain on it, you can cut off one part of it and then use it as a template just like that on all the sides so they're all nice and even, okay? And then some lady showed up and she interrupted me, but she was here for my septic tank and that was kind of funny.
I didn't want to come up to you when you were working with power tools.
How are you?
Hey, pretty good.
That was kind of her. Okay, she left and then I was left with this big archy piece of plywood. This is your desktop. And don't worry if it's not fully even, because you'll just go around everything with the sander and make it nice and smooth, just like that. Okay, now we're moving on. Whoops. Okay, it was so windy. My tripod fell over. I think I broke my phone. Okay, but now we're back. Okay, next you're going to take those pine wood rounds. These are going to be part of your base for your legs. You're going to mark them in the center just like this. And you're going to cut them straight down the middle. So you have like 2 half moons, just like that. They look like you take a cookie and break it in half, that kind of thing. Okay, then you're going to take those 2x4s and you're going to cut 6 pieces that are 28 inches, okay? 6 pieces, 20 inches, and you're going to screw them together so you have 2 bases that look just like this, okay? You guys can do this, right? Yes, you can do this. You can do this. Okay, stick with me here. Then you're going to take all those half wood dowels and you're going to cut them to the exact length of that base and just nail them on. It's basically like you're just creating a cover around them, okay? You see what I'm doing here? I'm just like putting one up and I'm nailing it and I'm like la da 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 da. Okay, then you're left with 2 of these things. These are your legs for your table. They're so freaking easy to do. Honestly, once you try this, you'll be like, oh, that was way easier than I thought. Trust me, okay? Then you're gonna sand it down because we hate splinters, and you're gonna put some like furniture, fabric things on the bottom so it doesn't scratch your floors, because trust me, it's just better to be safe than sorry. Okay, now that I carried them inside and I brought my tabletop inside and I actually got stuck underneath because this was definitely a 2-person job, not a one little woman job, but I did it myself. Okay, now we're moving on to edge banding. You're probably like, Shanna, what the hell is edge banding? Well, let me tell you. See the plywood? See how you can tell the areas like where I cut it? Edge banding, all it is, it's veneer. So it has glue on the other side. And you're going to use an iron and heat it up around the edge, and it's going to stick onto that plywood and cover up all the edges so it looks like one giant piece of wood and not plywood. Magic. And then I took some top coat and I put it all over the top of this table because obviously I'm going to be working on it. And when it was dry, I got some of these brackets, and that's how I attached the legs to the top, which was just drilling them in from underneath. And here's it from both angles. And when it was all put together, I did the same top coat on the legs and boom. It's literally that easy. Just call me Bob the Builder. But honestly, you can do this too. And I hope this helps. Okay, bye.